Hey guys, welcome to Cancun. So, this is the Canopy by Hilton hotel that I stayed in when I went to Cancun, Mexico. So, I'm just going to be doing a walkthrough of the hotel as well as a room tour to show you guys where I stayed and what the room looked like. So, of course, when you first enter the hotel, you have the lobby area. This is a fairly new hotel, so everything just looked brand new and just really nice. The decor was really nice. They have a lot of seating area options to just work or have a snack or whatever you choose to do. And they have a bar, full bar. This is where they set up breakfast in the morning. So they have options where you can have buffet style options for breakfast, or you can order from the kitchen if you want to do that. And they have lots of seating area for breakfast as well. Outside is actually attached to a mall. So when you go outside, H&M is right next door. They have the Ferris wheel as well. And this is actually a mall. So there's a mall right outside and it's very convenient. So if you need to go to the mall, it's right there. It's perfect. There's also like a Johnny Rockets and there's McDonald's. There's H&M, a bunch of different stores. There's Zara. So yeah, it's a really nice mall. So upstairs on the rooftop, they have an infinity pool and they also have a jacuzzi. It was about to rain, that's why the sky is so gray. But yeah, they have a pool and they have a jacuzzi area, and they also have a restaurant upstairs. So you can order food from the bar, you can order drinks from the bar, of course, and just kind of lounge out and relax upstairs. And during my stay here, I definitely indulged in the food options that they have upstairs. So if you just want a place to just lounge out and relax by the pool, you can order food, and it's just a really good vibe. They play music, there was a DJ. It's just really cool vibe. Now for the room tour. The room was really nice. So here you have your bathroom, of course, with the walk-in shower. And then over here you have this area where they have like cabinets, you can store your things, put your suitcase and things like that. And the sink area, there's a full-length mirror and 2 queen-size bed. I really like the decor in this hotel. Very, very nice. Here they have this little hammock kind of chair. And this was our view from our room. We had a sunrise view, so the sunrise is on this side. The refrigerator's in here. So that concludes the end of the tour. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Peace out, baby.